Hello, it's CreativeSarah here, and we're going to use the cherry on top transfer set. I'm going to make a really cute little canvas shelf sitter. All we have to do is use our transfer. I'm using on one of these cutouts, and I'm using some of our green paste. We've got meadow. We have our candy apple, and then I'm using a little bit of bark for the stems. And of course, we've got our cadets. We've got some bright colors. These are great for summer, and for the bowl of cherries, it's gonna be adorable. So all I'm doing, I'm using the multi-tool, which is one of our little handheld squeegees. And you can get into little places with it, and it's just a lot easier to handle than using the little teeny baby ones. So look, I just peeled that back to separate it because I knew it was going to take me a little bit of time to get in and do the rest of this chalk. And finally, we'll go into our cadet, which is our dark blue color. And look at that, it's going to be so cool. Oh my gosh, here's the reveal. Ooh, look at that bowl of cherries. So cute, you guys. Cherries are so fun for summer. And this is right about the time when my grandparents' cherry tree started to get its cherries in the late June months. And we would have the cherry festival in our town. Such great memories just from little cherries. That's right. It's all about the cherries. So I am going to just hot glue this onto the actual canvas, and here we go. We're going to do a little embellishing. I'm not quite sure about how I like the look of this, so I might be having to do a little adjustments, but I will show you whatever I decide to do. And yep, that is a super cute bow. Oh, but don't like how it looks, so we got to fix it. I'm going to grab some of our chalk suede paper. I have a scrap right here in my drawer, and I'm just going to cut a piece that will fit the little transfer with the words. So I'm going to fuzz my transfer, stick it down, and put a little chalk on it. After I do that, I am going to take one of my little bristly brushes, dip it into a little bit of that chalk, and I'm going to edge it. So I just took that bristly brush and patted it in a little bit of chalk paste, and I edged it, and this is what it looks like up close. Now I'm gonna go ahead and adhere that onto the surface here with some foam tape. It'll pop it up, give it a little dimension. I hope you love what you're seeing. If you do, make sure you follow my page for more ideas and inspiration. And if you're new, comment the word VIP. I'll send you a welcome message.